Hey Sugar Snaps, welcome to the Textile Indie YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Brittany. Here on YouTube, I share tutorials and inspiration in fiber and textile crafts, things like spinning, natural dyeing, knitting, basketry, and lots of other things. And today I'm sharing a video in my November vlog challenge, and we're going to do an unboxing of some materials that Ganxxet sent us. If you're not familiar with Ganxxet, it is a brand creating ethically sourced and manufactured supplies and materials for knitting, crochet, macrame, and weaving. And I'm super excited to get my hands on this material because I haven't really delved into macrame before. And they're sending us 2 large spools of macrame cord. So Bailey is going to the post office this morning. She's going to pick it up and bring it over, and we're going to unbox it together and play around with that cord. Got it! Yes! Okay, let's open it up. Okay, let's see. Opening it up. And what have we got? Oh, macrame cord. Ooh, that's really pretty. Natural color, 2 big coils. So exciting. Bailey, what are you gonna do with these guys?
I'm gonna make the plant holders for my living room. Just spruce it up a little.
Fun. And we're thinking also doing some sort of macrame. Thank you, Ganxxet, for sending us this macrame cord. We're so stoked to use it. I'm having a hard time waiting to play with this macrame cord, so I'm going to make a little keychain and share a knot that I just learned called the square knot. Just learned it in macrame, that is. Use it in a lot of different projects, but it seems to look a little different in macrame, and the way you do it dictates what you end up with. So later this week, Bailey and I are going to share a project that we're doing with the macrame cord. So check that out on Saturday here on the channel. So stay tuned for that. If you have some whips hanging around, works in progress, then go ahead and set those aside. Set aside an hour or so for Saturday to join us, and you can work on your project. Grab something warm to drink and cuddle up on the couch while we share our project as well. Like this video because it makes my heart happy, and if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can see the fun projects that we do here and join in the tutorials if you're interested in learning basketry, spinning, natural dyeing, and other fiber crafts. Later this week, Bailey and I are headed down to California. I'm teaching a few basket classes at a fun studio down there, so I'll share more in the upcoming days and share the adventures we have down there. Again, Wednesdays are tutorial days and Saturdays are usually project days. Check the description below for all the info about Ganxxet and their great materials. I am super excited to share the projects that we do with this macrame cord and get my hands on it for projects. Macrame is something that I haven't delved into very deeply, so looking forward to exploring that. Until tomorrow, happy making. Bye.